يا أبا صالح.
And then there came time for the fourth and the final of those representatives. His name was Muhammad, Ali ibn Muhammad as-Samari. The letter came from the 12th Imam. Ya Ali ibn Muhammad as-Samari, now after 3 years of being wakil, the time of your death has come near. This is nearly 69 years put together. Yes? First representative, 7 years. Second one, 40 years. Third one, 20 years. Final one, 3 years. If you put the math together, close to 70 years. The letter came because the Ghaybatul Sughra is going to end now. This is the final representative. Yes? The letter came. Look at the lesson to be learned from the life of the fourth representative. Ya Ali ibn Muhammad as-Samari. The letter came, the letter read, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And this is the letter of the 12th Imam. It said, in the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Ya Ali ibn Muhammad as-Samari. O Ali ibn Muhammad Samari. أعظم الله أجر إخوانك فيك. May Allah reward your brothers because they are going to go through a calamity because of you. In other words, you're going to leave this world. They will be left with your tragedy of leaving this world. May Allah reward them. فَإِنَّكَ مَيِّتٌ بَيْنَكَ وَبَيْنَ السِّتَّةِ أَيَّامٍ. From now until 6 days from now, you will leave this world. Then the Imam said something, it's a lesson for all of us. He said, Ya Ali ibn Muhammad, فَاجْمَعْ أَمْرَكَ. Gather your affairs together. Prepare. A question. Ali ibn Muhammad as-Samari, will he ever see the zuhur and the reappearance of the 12th Imam? No, he will never see. He's leaving this world already. The Imam has not reappeared, yes? But what will he definitely see? He will see Malikul Maut. He will see and have to prepare for his akhirah. He will have to prepare for his death. And that's why scholars teach us, you may not necessarily see the return of the 12th Imam. But what you will definitely see is when Malikul Maut comes to visit you and I. So the preparation for the 12th Imam, the first step of it is preparation for Malikul Maut. Preparation for the things that I have to gather before I leave this world. Maybe dhuhur I see, maybe dhuhur I don't see. God knows best, yes? But what you will definitely experience, Malikul Maut is going to come and visit us. So the Imam told him, Ya Ali ibn Muhammad, fajma' amrak, gather your affairs. Any loose ends, yes? Cross your T's, dot your I's, as we say. What does that mean for you and I? Fajma' amrak, gather your affairs. What does that mean? Sometimes it means there's apologies you had to give to some people. You haven't given those apologies yet. Sometimes for some of us, that's what it means. Sometimes it means this haram income that I have, I need to stop. Sometimes it means this salat and fasting that I have never made up for. I have to go start making up for it, yes? Sometimes it means this debts that I have to this person, I have to go take care of. And these are cans that we continue to kick down the road. But the 12th Imam told his companion, Fajma' amrak, gather your affairs. Prepare yourself. You're leaving this world within 6 days. And that is a lesson for you and I as well. Ask yourself, what does gathering my affairs mean for me? What does that mean for me? Does that mean you have to call this relative and tell them that I apologize for that time I wronged you? Maybe that's what it is. You know best and I know best. Everyone knows best what that preparation is for. If you and I prepare for that time of death, when the time of death comes, it will feel like to you and I that it came exactly at the right time. Because you're prepared for it. So this is what I was preparing for. The Quran says the time of death for every person, لا يستأخرون ساعة ولا يستقدمون. It comes at exactly the right time. Doesn't come early, doesn't come late. But for the person who is prepared, for the person who's not prepared, it feels like it came too soon. And this is why the Quran says there are those فَإِذَا جَاءَ, when the time of their death comes, أَحَدُهُمُ الْمَوْتِ قَالَ رَبِّ ارْجِعُونَ, he says, oh Allah, take me back. Why? You didn't prepare for this time? No, he didn't prepare for it. لَعَلِّ أَعْمَلُ صَالِحًا فِي مَا تَرَكْتُ. Take a look at what the verse says. The verse says, send me back so that I can do one good deed. And this is how desperate he is at this point. لَعَلِّي أَعْمَلُ صَالِحًا. Send me back so I can do this one good deed. فِيمَا تَرَكْتُ, amongst the things that I'm leaving behind. But the call comes, كَلَّا إِنَّهَا كَلِمَةٌ هُوَ قَائِلُهَا. This is the time of your death, and this is the time that you have to go. The 12th Imam told his companion, Ya Ali ibn Muhammad, fajma' amrak. Then he continued. He said, فَقَدْ بَدَأَتِ الْغَيْبَةِ التَّامَّةِ. Because the comprehensive occultation will now begin. This is the second occultation. He said, فَلَا ظُهُورَ. The reappearance will not take place إِلَّا بَعْدَ إِذْنِ اللَّهِ, until when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives permission for it. وَقَسْوَةِ الْقُلُوبِ, and until the hearts become hard with sin. وَطُولِ الْأَمَدِ, and until many years pass. And then he continued, said, Ya Ali ibn Muhammad, during this time, there will be those who will come to my Shia, and they will say they are constantly in touch with me. Allah, no. فَمَنِ ادَّعَ الْمُشَاهَدَةِ, the one who comes and says he's in touch with me, فَهُوَ كَاذِبٌ مُفْتَرٌ. Know that he is the greatest of liars. And the letter ends there.
اللهم كل ولي